everyone. Hope you are all fine and enjoying. I'm Sam from Pakistan, as you all know, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Samia One. Today I'm super excited to share a lovely and amazing stuff with all of you, and it's going to be super exciting. Here it is. Oh, look at this. Lovely and adorable little Avenger cars! Yay! Let's unbox this incredible package of Avenger cars together. Okay, first of all, let's check the box. Okay, wait. Look at this. Look at the beautiful pictures of Avengers. Oh my god. This is so amazing. So amazing. And the cars are based on the theme of Avengers, as you can all see here. They're of different shapes and sizes and designs. Let's unbox this. I know you all are impatiently waiting to see this lovely stuff over here, and me too. Okay. Let's take this out. Oh my god, look at this. This is so adorable, so cute. Look at size. This is so small. You can see. Okay, let's have a look on this one. I think this one is of Captain Marvel. Yes. Look at the lovely red color and the blue shade. Oh my god. So fascinating. So eye-catching. The golden metallic effect. Lovely. Lovely. Okay, the next one is of Yay, Captain America. Look at the sign on the car. Oh my god, and the A is also written on it. Look at the blue metallic color. This is so lovely, so beautiful. And one more thing, guys, the material is so durable and so strong and reliable. Okay, the next one is, guess what? Yay, yes, this is Hawk. Look at the green color and the giant size of the car. This one is simply clearly telling you which Avenger theme is based on it. Okay, next one is of Iron Man. So lovely. Look at this golden face over here. And the picture of Iron Man is also there. It's a truck. Yes, it's a truck. It's so beautiful, so cute. Okay, let's move on the last one and my most favorite one because this is Spider-Man. Yay! My favorite superhero. I love this. Look at the red color and the wheels and the face mask. Okay, fine. Now let's check how they move. The quality of the wheels is so good, so smooth, and their movement is so fine, so smooth. It's moving so smoothly. Every car is unique in its own way, as you can all see that. This is so super amazing. Oh my god, I'm so impressed. And the most fascinating thing about these cars is that everyone has its own shape, own size, and own theme. And you can play with the favorite car based on your favorite superhero. These cars are so adorable, so lovely, as you have all seen it. Look at the size, the shapes, and the color. And one more thing is that this is worth buying it. Your kids can play with it and engage them in a healthy game. No, ये तो मैंने गलत कह दिया. Okay, everything aside, I'm super amazed by these cute little cars, and in other words, it is perfectly splendid. Yes. So, hope you guys liked my video. So, please do subscribe and share and like. Okay, bye.